we have to check whether Sita ji in us is with us or she has been taken away by Ravan. You know, Sita ji represents the Shakti Tattva. And everybody has some power. Having body itself is a power. Some talent, money, relatives, mindness. We all have certain things, house, some position. That is our Sita ji. Nobody is powerless. Even a beggar on the street has at least his body is his. He can claim this is my body. With that hand he has the power, he can give someone a glass of water and he can hit also. Even an ant has some power. When an ant bites, then you understand what was the power in that. Small ant, they say it can kill an elephant also. If the ant goes in the trunk of the elephant, it can die. Therefore, elephant keeps off sniffing like that when it walks. We all have lot of power, at least some power. You are happy or unhappy, depending the power has been kidnapped by Ravan or not. Ravan is Moho, Moho dasmoli. So that power that I have, am I using it for my ahankar? Am I using my children for my ahankar? Am I using my attached people to satisfy my ahankar, my mamakar, or I have offered them? In my life, is there a union of my power and the Lord, or is there a divorce of my power and the Lord? Is there a divorce? Lord is somewhere and power is my delusion. Whom for we earn? Whom for we live? Whom for you think the house is? Whom for you think the children are? Whom for you think the life is? And if in that circle, if you and me have the answer, it is meant for my gratification, my fulfillment, my enjoyment, which has nothing to do with the Lord's joy, then I have divorced the Lord from His power. Anybody who is sad, upset, angry, depressed in his life, he has taken away the power of the Lord from the Lord. If the power belongs to Lord, why not give it back? The union of bhakti and Ishwar, in whose life union of bhakti and Ishwar is there, he is a saint. Anything that comes to a saint, he feels it is given by Lord and it should be for Lord. And therefore he is dispossessed from everybody. Moment I become over-possessive, I find out how many there are personal enjoyments in your life, which you enjoy and nobody else enjoys. Which enjoyments are there which are my personal enjoyment, which I don't want to lose? Which loss appears as a loss? Shakti is a very terrible thing. We take some When by prarabdha we get some Shakti and we start enjoying, we start destroying that power sometimes by offering it to our delusion. Ahankar enjoys. How many of us feel our children should be for higher purpose? How many of us feel our house should be more for someone else? How many of us feel that whatever money I have, it should be all for the Lord? At the most, we feel it should be for 2 people, 3 people. Will you think about your future? Did you think about the future of the orphans? Did you think about the future of the people who are working for God? Did you think about the future of any temple around you? They also have a future. People come as a gift of the God and we make them a curse for ourselves. Why? Because I don't want to offer. Anything which is not offered back will become a curse for us. Everything what we get is to be returned by making ourselves. God gives you puja samagri. Everyone, every person around me, every action around me is object of my worship. And in worship, you don't indulge and enjoy. You take it and you offer it back with a sense of gratitude. Otherwise, Sita and Ram are separated by Ravan, and this Sita ji is crying. Our power makes us cry. Exploited power makes us cry. This thing should be kept in mind. Whatever has come to us should not be for me. I am not the recipient of that. Moment you start the bhog of that, when you want to see somebody should talk to you, whom is somebody's power for you or is power for Lord? When I say you should talk to me, otherwise I am angry, I am asking you, your power I am using for my Ravan or for my Ram? When I say you should see me, you should attend to me, you should listen to me, is that time my power for me or my power is for my Lord? Most of the time we misuse the power that we got. I want to grab somebody's power. In our life, very less of puja is there, lot of bhog is there. And this is the separation of the Sita and Ram in us. If we had thought of that anybody who will come in my life, I will offer it to the Lord. Any action which will come, I will dedicate it to the Lord. If this was our intention, that any person who comes, I will use him. He will become more closer to God. Because anything that you pluck the flower from the garden, and after offering you make that flower closer to God. Anything which is offered is closer to God, closer to Guru. Anything which is not offered, that becomes farther from Guru. Closer a thing is to Ahankar, farther it is from the Lord. I hope you are appreciating, all will appreciating, that is okay. Puja means only that water which was just the tap water, now it is called prasad. After going through Bhagwan, that milk which was just a simple milk, it becomes charanamrit. That fruit which was a simple fruit, after being offered to Lord, it becomes prasad, its value increases. What anybody would have just grabbed and eaten like that, now he takes with both his hands and put it on his head and then eats. You have increased the value of something which you have offered. Anything which you offer to Lord, when you make Sita and Ram one, that becomes prasad. That thing you have made valuable. On one hand, Ravan separated by bhog Sita and Ram. On another hand, Hanumanji united them. Hanumanji's role was, he made Sita and Ram one. In ourself, one Hanuman is also there, and in ourself, Ravan is also there. We have lot of powers. Gurudev had lot of power to speak, lot of power of Gita, knowledge, and he united it all with the Lord. More is this oneness, more is this worship in our life, more my mind will be quiet, and more I will be free from others' thought. Because what you have offered, you don't have a thought about that. If too much of thought is there and thought gives problem, that means, tell me, when Ravana was taking Sita ji, he was never free from the Sita ji was a big source of trouble for Ravana. As long as the Ravana, Sita ji was, rather Sita ji destroyed Ravana. Sita ji was the one because of which Ravana lost whole Lanka and it got burnt and he got killed. So as long as something we don't possess, we are very free and fine. Moment I divorce some issue from Lord, some person of Lord, and I have a personal relation with someone, that personal relation will kill a person. Sometimes we have a pride that we are very close, but just be careful. Is that closeness to take you close to God? That closeness is to take you close to, separate from the Lord. If that closeness is to take you away from the God, then that closeness will not only separate you, but you will be more at loss with each other. Closeness was between Meghnad and Ravan also. But see, that closeness killed both of them. That closeness destroyed Lanka also. Closeness was between Khardushan and Surpanakha also. That closeness destroyed both of them. Point is not that we are close or not close. Point is that closeness is to, have we come closer to the Lord because of closeness? Have we performed the task of Hanumanji, that our Shaktis we have offered to the Lord, or we have divorced from the Lord? That is more important than merely being close. So there is no pride in we are close, or I am close to my wife, I am close to me. No, nobody can be close to anybody for a long time. It's the illusory word. For a few days you can be close. After that, all will become far, and that closeness will, if the closeness is not associated with the Lord, it will definitely give pain. This is one rule. Any closeness which takes farther from the God will become a big source of liability, whether you are close to your son or daughter or money or power or office or position or house. That closeness will become not only liability, but a source of trouble for you. Better is, if I am close, I should be close. Somebody is close, he is not close to me, I should take him close to God. Even if I required, I should be physically separate. It is better to be separated from a person rather than separated from the Lord.